Hi guys, so this would be Squishy update number 6, and this is gonna be a short one because I only have 2 squishies to show you guys. And sorry if my voice sounds weird because I again just woke up. So yeah, so the first one would be this cream puff. This one I purchased it from Cute Stitch 90. So yeah, and the sides are not squishy, only the middle part, which is the cream. So yeah, and it's really small though. You can see. So yeah, but it has an elastic strap, and it's really cute. I absolutely love it. So yeah. Then the next one would be this bun, which is the defected bun from Princess Kawaii 1901. I decorated it, so yeah. So it is considered new to me. I'm just gonna take it out so you guys can see better. So this is the bun, and it's the panda bun, the medium-sized panda bun, but doesn't have a strap because she didn't send me the strap. So yeah, so after I decorated it, then I realized that it's like super squishy. Can you see that? So yeah, so I put for the brown part I put glass paint, and this one's 3D paint as drizzles and blue glitter. And the thing that's defected is the ears and the eyes and the nose and mouth is like plucked out, so it looks really ugly when I didn't decorate it. So yeah, now that it's decorated, I think it looks really cute. So I'm just gonna show you from the top view. It looks like this. And it's very squishy. I absolutely love it. So yeah, so this is my squishy update number 6 for you guys, and thumbs up for the new background. Anyway, that's my room wall. So yeah, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.